So great of a book. You'll be able to have references. Like that happened to me once.
Is it gonna be encouraging?
It's gonna be encouraging and it's gonna have humor.
There's such a graceful sweetness about him that you're just automatically drawn to. But that graceful sweetness or that innocence is also very powerful.
Just a few seconds ago, we want to teach people how to get back to the basics. We were talking before we got here about how these buildings here, it's easier for them to destroy it and just recreate it than just have to fix it. So that's a great point.
Oh, they're perfect! How is this happening? Do y'all remember when it was nothing? Listen! The prayers of the righteous availeth much! Okay. That was... I can't believe they're here!
They understood their impact. They knew what they were doing, the things that they were trying to accomplish. They knew that if you can think it, it can come to fruition. They knew if they believed it, they could achieve it. And that's stuff that you get from being a munchkin and being taught that it's okay. You don't have to accept what society expects for you to be the norm. You create what you want your environment to be.
Success to us is when we see what's inside of our mind materialize on the outside.
Right? Because when he opens up his mouth and when he begins to speak to you and lay out a plan, you go, oh my God, you know? So not are you only drawn to this sweetness, but then you're taken by this wisdom and this power.
We all have reasons why we can't do this or why we did that, but we don't allow any of our reasons to become excuses.
It's hard work giving, but these two businessmen do it to help others.
Whether we are motivated or not, we get up and do what is needed.
Nearly 40 families will get gifts just like that mother here at the NICU unit at Henry Ford, thanks to these two little businessmen. Their amazing story coming up.
Okay, so you guys are having a benefit concert. First of all, that's awesome. What are you raising money for?
We're raising money for the NSCU holiday presentation. It's one of our biggest events coming up. And then the back to school supply drive and Turkeys for Tots food drive.
As far as Drew goes, I think he's had a lot of fantastic experience with at a very young age, even younger, starting out.
You aren't always going to feel motivated to speak, to minister, and to give, but that's where dedication kicks in.
He's taken something that was difficult at the beginning of his life, and he's made something very positive out of it. So to me, I think what we can say about Drew is that his heart is so big, and he is such a leader with a purpose, and just is ready to pave a path and inspire other people.
We're overachievers. We're overachievers. In everything we put our hands to.
Everything we put our hands to.
Somos como nuestro Padre, El Shaddai, Él va más allá de las expectativas y nosotros también.
And like Tiger Woods, you know, Tiger Woods' parents was very, very instrumental. Venus and Serena, I mean, we can continue. Michael Jordan's parents, and we could continue. And so that's how I feel about the Awesome Brothers. I think that God has blessed them with wonderful, strong, unbelievably amazing parents.
No, it's not over.